Are you looking for the best laundry hampers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best laundry hampers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Chrisley Double Laundry Hamper. This portable hamper will be excellent for any space it is put and still offer enough area to help you meet your individual needs. The double basket means you will advantageously sort your clothing as indicated by your necessities. The double handles are firm and comfortable for your hand, making transportation easy. With this large capacity laundry hamper, you also get 2 super light folding laundry bags. If the color is a problem, Chrisley does offer many color variants. The manufacturing recommends wiping with a soft cloth rather than machine washing. The latter affects waterproofing capabilities of the fabric. If you live in a small apartment or single room and you want to keep it clean, tidy and free from scattered laundry, then this is a perfect pick for you. Number 4. Sorbus Laundry Foldable Double Hamper, built-in handles for easy transport. Save your time when doing laundry, leaving you more time to do other much more exciting duties, with this laundry hamper from Sorbus. Simple and straightforward design with a flipboard covered with moisture-resistant polyester liner that only needs wiping to be clean. The detachable flip-top lid and divider are connected to the hamper by a Velcro tab. It has 2 storage spaces to help your children approach each other's garments with deference. The maker also found it necessary to include solid built-in handles for comfortable carry. There is a wide assortment of colors to choose from. Make clothing day simpler with this profoundly refreshing and evaluated hamper. Number 3. Songmike's 4 Bag Rolling Laundry Hamper. Get sorted out with this durable and roomy laundry hamper if you have a large family and your room is sufficiently large. This hamper has 4 large bags with lifting handles made to ensure absolute zero confusion in sorting their laundry. It has a sturdy waterproof and rust-proof metal frame which gives the extraordinary outline that ensures it stands up and stays open. What makes it even more desirable are the 2 heavy-duty casters that let you move around with your laundry hamper and brake when you need to collect more load. It is an essential gadget and should not be missing out in your house. Number 2. Simple Houseware Heavy-Duty Laundry Sorter. The laundry hamper is made of mesh material, so it's breathable and will keep your clothes and towels from getting musty. This unit features 3 heavy-duty bags supported by a sturdy frame, so you get to partition and vanquish your clothing heap into the 3 compartments. The steel frame is sufficiently lightweight for simpler taking care yet sturdy enough to support up to 40 pounds of garments. The laundry hamper has a simple-to-open outline and well-made casters that take into consideration natural transportation. You are free to effortlessly roll this clothing sorter from room to pantry and lock the truck into a spot if required. Get it now and enjoy the pure convenience. Number 1. Household Essentials 5626-1 Double Laundry Hamper. Next on our list is this double hamper which boasts 100% polypropylene exterior and 100% polyester liner. This points to durability and how easy it is to clean this unit. The package also includes a detachable lid with a magnet flap for more secure closure and ensures that dirty linen is out of sight. The company assures that this unit is quick and straightforward to amass. You don't require any tools. This product is so flexible, being lightweight and readily collapses flat when not in use, and still offers a full load of laundry without being torn or broken. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.